What is up, people? We're back. Long time no see. It's the first kind of summery day we've had. So we're in the Peak District. Can't breathe already. And going up to Thor's cave, which I've never been to before. Danny's been. So we're gonna have a look at that and then try and find a nice little spot to camp. Maybe have a swim. Hard walk?
Remember it being a hard walk.
It's gonna be fun. We got massive bags on. Hopefully it's not too busy on the evening. We can nestle down somewhere in a hedge. I think we're going up there.
That's it.
Yeah, look. You can see the hole. So we've been walking about 15 minutes. Danny's already pissed on herself. She was trying to be discreet, but
well, you weren't a very good lookout.
I did my best, that's all anyone can ask. And yeah, we're just walking around the round, whatever that means. And then hopefully get to that big hole in the mountain, which will give us many excitements. Right, so it looks like we've come up the wrong path, and we're going all the way around it because it's over there.
I don't think we're going all the way around. Doesn't look like there's a path that leads that way.
Nah.
Chicken. Look at that one. It's coming.
Not very fucking chatty, are they?
Would you want to talk to you?
I suppose.
I like that one. He's got loads of black spots. He's like dappily pappily. Look, if you come this way, you'll see him. You need to get a good side view of him to see how dappled he is.
We're now on the correct Thor's cave path.
Can you see him?
We're ascending the cave at the bottom. Doesn't look too far, to be fair. Hello. What's his name?
Benny.
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 Nice to meet you, Benny. Two emo girls with a ferret in the Peak District. Something you don't see every day. But yeah, it's getting busy now. Here we are.
Well, I've been in, so.
Everyone's sliding out. Boy. It's cool, man. Dogs up in here. Whoa. Gets deep. Busting this. Slow it back down. Fine, Danny. So we've had a look at the cave. It's pretty sweet. It's a cute cave. Busy though. Now we're walking down through a forest path. I think we're gonna go get some food, to be honest, get an ice cream or something. Because we haven't really planned this through very well. I'm starving. Yeah, we've only got dinner with us. And we're hungry already. So yeah, on we go. Next we're rocking with that.
Protein flapjack.
Smooth
lemon.
Where's the main boys?
Look at these.
The master.
Cacao.
There's the big boy. Yeah, so the place we've come to in the Peak District. It's very like organised paths and stuff. It's not quite as wild as one would hope. But I think we're in the wrong part. I think we need to go further in. But yeah, we just want to find a nice, weird camp spot. And we ain't even seen no water. So, yeah, is what it is. Maybe go for a swim tomorrow, if not today. Right, we are currently winning. We found a lovely little campsite, not far from where we were just pitched up. Set the tent up. Danny's getting the coffees on the go.
That's all nice.
A little bit. And look at this, we're right next to a little stream. And there's a swing, which I'm going to be testing out shortly. Don't know about this one though. And I forgot the forks. But yeah man, look. Checking we could stand on it and not fall in. But yeah. Don't really look deep enough for a dip. Woo! I'm dead.
I don't even know, like...
Oh, we're both dead. There we go. Yeah. Oh, nearly had it. Yeah. We are shambolic. What's that? And here we're with Danielle, the twisted fire starter.
I'm going for the 5 matches at once.
Go on then. Oh, is she going? Is she going?
Oh no, it's gonna go out, it's gonna go out.
Food are cooking.
Pure matches this one.
Fire are cooking. She's lying. She had to use the lighter.
I did not.
But nah, she's done a good fire. I can't knock it. She smashed it. The food's going. Living a dream. So I've had the...
You had the meatballs.
I had the meatballs, and that's pasta bolognese. Danny's had pasta bolognese. These are the Wayfarer packs. And you know what? I've never been disappointed with anything I've had of these. They actually taste good, fill you up, do the trick. I'd have them for dinner on a normal one.
They're expensive for a dinner.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at my fire.
Chocolate pudding for
look
later.
At my fire.
Let's keep this bad boy going.
We've had a bit of cheese.
It's hard because all the wood's kind of damp.
You know what? I just licked the spoon.
You licked it?
Yeah, like, yeah. And it wouldn't actually be that bad cold, you know.
Nah.
Not. It'd be a lot nicer, but.
I need some light on there.
Don't get my guy jumper in it.
Right, we're
Really gay.
we're calling it a day. We're in the tent. Got a nice little double sleeping mat situation going on.
Got my book.
She's got a book. But yeah, we'll catch her tomorrow.
If we're not dead.
Yeah, if we don't die in the night. If nothing mad happens, we survive. Peace out, man. Yes, people. We're at the scenic Staffordshire Services. We fled here when we woke up freezing because Danny didn't bring a sleeping
You
bag.
didn't bring it.
Me?
You packed the bag.
I had my sleeping bag. So yeah, we had one sleeping bag, woke up freezing beyond belief, and we ran away. So yeah, it is what it is, but we had a wicked night. Now we can go home and have a nice hot shower. So, how's your muff?
I wish I'd have got sausage.
But yeah,
Why is everything like this now?
we'll leave it at that. Peace out, people. Look at the graph. Jeez, 3 rocks.